Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Things. So this is our new project, Smart Railway Track Crack Detection System. So let's see the hardware components of the project. In this project, we are using a 12 volt power supply. So this is a voltage regulatory circuitry. Our main microcontroller board is Arduino Uno. So this is a liquid crystal display. So this is an ultrasonic sensor. So these are the two IR sensor for the detecting the crack of the track. In this system, we are using a GPS module. So this is a GSM module which communicate with mobile. So like this system, we are using the hardware components of the project. As you can see here, right now we have given the power supply to the project. Now let's see the working video of the project. So whenever the project has been turned on, so whenever the obstacle has been come in front of the vehicle, automatically the vehicle will be stopped to operating. So like this system, whenever the track crack has been found by this sensor, automatically the location of that crack has been forwarded to your mobile. Like this system, SMS you will get. Okay, so whenever we continue, so like this system you will get the exact location of the crack. Okay, so like this system the project working is there. If you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for the watching the video.